If you're looking for a high quality knitting machine, then watch this video. This Addi Express knitting machine has 22 pins. What's nice about this is it comes with 2 clamps that you can attach it to the table. Unlike the other brands, which only have suction cups or nothing, and you have to hold on to it with your hand. This way it stays sturdy on the table. I also like the fact that there is a switch right here, so you can go from tube knitting to flat knitting with just the flip of a switch. There's also a row counter right here. When you complete a row, you will hear a little bit of a clicking noise, and then just look here and you can see what number row you are on. As you can see, this spins really smooth. And there's 3 black needles. And then you'll know when your end is coming up because you'll see your 3 black needles here from where you started, and you'll be prepared. This also has a yarn guide right here, so you can feed your yarn through it and close the door, and that helps keep your yarn tension even. Here are 2 of my projects that I've made with my Addi Express. You can come up with all kinds of ideas just by using your imagination and the Addi machine. I really love mine, and I know you'll love it too.